My name is Josephus Johnson Koroma. I'm the project manager for the Wasena Bridge replacement. Wasena Bridge is now closed for reconstruction for a period of 2 years. We have provided detours for the public to use to travel from point A to point B.
Josephus is building the bridge, but I live in Wasena and I've been navigating these routes every day for the last 2 weeks. Turns out, neighborhood routes, not the fastest way to go. We're gonna take a look at 2 detours, one over Memorial Bridge and another over Franklin Road. First up, Memorial, heading away from downtown.
Now we are standing at the corner of M Avenue and 4th Street, heading towards Wasena Bridge. On 5th Street, make a right turn. Travel along 5th Street for a quarter mile and make a left turn onto Campbell Avenue. Travel along Campbell Avenue for 3/4 mile and make a left turn onto 13th Street.
Take it over Memorial Avenue Bridge, about 1.5 miles, and then hang left onto Brandon. If you're heading toward downtown, work it in reverse. If you're like me, you have seen the line of cars waiting at the light and wanted to cut through the neighborhood. But trust me, sticking to 13th and Campbell is the fastest way to go. Now let's check out the route over Franklin Road.
We are standing at the intersection of M Avenue and 2nd Street in downtown Roanoke. The recommended detour is traveling on M Avenue down towards Franklin Road and make a left turn onto Franklin Road. Travel along Franklin Road for approximately 1 mile and make a right turn onto Brandon Avenue.
Now let's see that heading the other way, north on Franklin Road toward downtown.
Now we are at the intersection of Brandon Avenue and Brambleton Avenue, heading towards Wasena Bridge. The recommended detour is traveling on Brandon Avenue for approximately 1 mile and make a left turn onto Franklin Road. Travel along Franklin Road for approximately 1 mile to the intersection of Franklin Road and M Avenue, US Route 221.
By following the posted detour routes, we can make sure that everyone gets where they're going as quickly and safely as possible.